Have you ever had to work on a PowerPoint presentation in a group or had to create a spreadsheet with others, but it's hard to get everyone on the same page working together or finishing the assignment? My mom and a couple other ladies from our church make the church schedule, and it used to be a hassle passing it back from one person to another. And then I showed them how to use Google Docs, and now creating the monthly schedule has been a lot easier. In Google Docs, you are able to create PowerPoint presentations, spreadsheets, graphs, questionnaires, and even upload videos, pictures, and other documents you have saved to your computer, and able to share them with other people that can view and edit them. Google Docs has the ability to make working in groups, as a team, or even by yourself easier than ever. To begin, creating a document or project with others is really easy to do using Google Docs. After this presentation, you should be able to create a Google Doc presentation and share it with others. There are 3 things you need before you can accomplish this task. First, you'll need internet. Second, you'll need to make a Gmail account. And third, the email addresses that you're using to share with. If someone needs to edit the document, you'll need to have them make a Gmail account. If it's just to view it, then they do not need a Gmail account. Once you have all the materials above, there are 6 steps to complete this task. First, you must have a Gmail account. If you already have one, you can skip this step. If not, you need to go to the Google homepage and click the Gmail at the top right corner and follow the steps to make an account. Then you need to be logged into your Gmail account and looking at your inbox. In the top right of the page, you should see a button that looks like a couple boxes or squares. You need to click that. You should get a drop-down menu with different options. Click the second icon in the 3rd row that says Drive. Next, during Google Docs, you can create your project. To the left, there is a red button that says New. After clicking that, pick the type of document you want to create. For example, if I wanted to make a blank document page and write on it, I would click Google Docs with the blue icon next to it and start writing what I needed to. And then when you're finished writing or creating what you need and you want to share it with others, there is a blue box that says Share in the top of the right page. Click that and then type the email address that you would like to share it with. Lastly, Google Docs gives you the choice to manage what others can do to the doc once you've shared it. You can make it so they can edit it if they have Gmail, add comments in the margin, view it and not edit it, or you can choose a new owner altogether. Finally, there are many things that could go wrong and not work, but that's the risk when using anything on a computer. The most important thing is that you don't share your Gmail or Google Docs account information with anyone. Doing this gives them access to all of your emails and Google Docs, and they can end up in the hands where they don't belong. You should know how to use Google Docs because there are more schools and jobs that require you to use the program in order to work in some project groups or presentations. More schools are using Google Docs to teach instead of Microsoft Office. Teachers are also finding it a lot easier to collaborate and grade papers through. Just like some jobs require you to be experienced with Excel, Microsoft, or PowerPoint, jobs are now starting to look for employees with experience in Google Docs. Google Docs allows everyone to be on the same project at once. Everyone can get their parts done on their own time and in a timelier manner. Google Docs also allows you to turn your project into PDF files so that you can print them out and have a hard copy. From any device, you're able to access Google Docs through your laptop, smartphone, iPad, or tablet. Google Docs saves what you're working on automatically. Every 30 seconds, you are editing or changing a document, Google Docs automatically saves it. Throughout, it saves every time you stop typing. Your products are always going to be there. If your computer crashes or you have to get a new one, or even have yours reset, you can still log on to Google Docs and everything will be there untouched. We all have those days where we lose documents on our laptop or desktop. With Google Docs, there can be organized from date, name of file, or last edited. You can even search the title of the document you're looking for in the search bar that's presented on the page. So as you can see, Google Docs has the ability to make working in groups, as a team, or even by yourself easier than ever. So next time you need to complete a project for school or work, you might want to consider using Google Docs.